Welcome everyone. In this lecture, we will try to cover the very fundamental resistor color code, in which we will think how to identify the resistance value by looking their color bands. So for this purpose, we have to start with some a simple sentence that I am going to write to identify the color code. So first I am writing BB Roy Great Bharat very good wife. Okay, so we have to remember this sentence, okay, or line. BB Roy Great Bharat very good wife. Okay, so this B stand for the color black, this one for brown, and this one for red, and this one O for orange, Y for yellow. Okay, now next one is your green, then blue, then violet, then gray, and finally white. So this thing you have to remember. BB Roy Great Bharat very good wife. B for black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, and white. So in addition to that, two more thing, that is I am writing gold and silver for the tolerance. The tolerance, I will discuss what do you mean by the tolerance. Okay, so gold for gold, plus or minus 5%, plus or minus 10%. We will cover it by step, means how to think about the different color code and how we have to write the color code. So basically, these bands we have to remember: BB Roy, Great Bharat, very good wife, and all colors. You have to practice 1 or 2 or more than 3 or 5 times, then it will be easy to remember this thing. So there may be our resistor is somehow looks like okay, and there are different bands are there, okay, 3 and 4 bands. So depending upon the bands, we can identify the color code. So here I am writing this have a 4 band. Okay, so mostly we are using 4 band, okay, in our experimental electronics lab, and in addition to that, it may be 5 band, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will tell what it signify. And one more, the last one, this one is the 6 band. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this one is the different bands are there. Okay, 5 band, and this one is our 6 band. And one very interesting thing is that the last band, that is our this one, it's this one, and the last band, it means if we have some color codes are there, so the last band is slightly away from the rest one. Means again I am making a very clear picture for this one. Maximum in most of the time, sorry, in most of the time you will see, means one band is slightly away from the other bands. If it is four band, not an issue. One band is slightly away, so we have to think this one is point 1 and point 2, and we have to start the counting. Okay, so the in general case we can say this one is our tolerance band for a 5 band. Okay, so how we have to now think about, so what actually it shows, this one is give the first significant, we can say the digit for this one. Now the second one is called your second significant digit. Okay, I will tell what it. Third one is our, if there is no band, third band, so this one is our multiplier band, and the final one is our tolerance band. Okay, so again now I have to write one more thing. Now for the numbering, means how we have to think. So it should be our 0. We have to start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this table we have to think, means you have to make a table like this, and you can make any resistance value. You can easily say this one is the value. Okay, so now I am starting one example with 4 band. Okay, so for 4 band I am just writing one example. Okay, so what I am doing, I am making a resistance type of thing. So this one, all my color are now blue. Okay, not a issue. So what I am saying, this first band is our, say which color, you just think this one is our brown. Okay, so first one is brown, and the second one, first one is our brown color, and second one say black. Okay, right, black, and third one already is there. So this third one is our, say brown, black, and we can say the again black. Okay, black. So if there is 3 band only, one more tolerance band is there. I am not discussing now tolerance, so it may be gold or silver. Okay, so you can write gold. Okay, so now first I already told you that first one is your first significant digit. So it is starting from brown. So brown will be our 1. Okay, so what I am writing, 1. Okay, now second one is black. So black is nothing but simply our 0. So write it 0. First 2 significant digit you write. Then third one is our black. So black is nothing but multiplier. So what we have to write, 10 to the power, for multiplier purpose we have to write 10 to the power. The next one is our again black. So 10 to the power 0. So it should be, and plus of minus, this one is our gold, so plus or minus 5% tolerance, so it should be around 10 ohm resistance is there. Okay, so this one is the very simplest example for the brown, black, black. Now for example, one more example I want to give. If this one is brown, brown, black, and again say brown, brown, three band, just forget about the tolerance one. It that means affect the resistance value too much for the academic purpose. So if brown, so again what we have to start with, 1, 0 and 10 to the power, brown is 1, so 100 ohm resistance. So brown, black, black, brown, black, brown, 100 ohm resistance. So this one is one of the simplest one. So first we have to know the first significant digit, second significant, then the other one you have a multiplier, so 10 into 0 because we are saying black one, so 10 to the power 0, 1, 10 ohm resistance, 100 ohm resistance. Okay, so we can also go for one more example. For example, now suppose what I am writing slightly, okay, wait for some different color. For example, now okay, so this is some resistance, okay, so in which there are some bands are there. Okay, so first band I am saying this one is our yellow band, okay, and the next one is our say violet band, and the next one is say which band we can say orange. So okay, so and for the tolerance you can say this one you have silver band slightly away from the best three. So how we have to write for yellow? Where is yellow? Yellow here. Okay, so what we have to write? 4. Then violet, so search where is the violet? 7. So 7 into multiplier term. Then orange, where is orange? 3. So 10 to the power 3. Okay, so and plus of minus silver, so that is our plus of minus 10%. Okay, now I will discuss the tolerance because every time it is coming. So but this one is basically a 47 kilo of resistance. Okay, so now we have to think about the tolerance. So tolerance is basically the accuracy, means in which range the resistance value will be lie. Okay, so this one is 47k. So this 47k, what I am writing here, you just see first 1 2 3 into 10%, 10 by 100 I am writing like that. Okay, so this 0 cancel, 0 0, so this should be 4700. Okay, so now we have 47k, 47 1 2 3. Okay, so what we are doing, if 47k ohm is there, so the value of the particular resistance with this tolerance will lie in between 4700 007 73 51700 51700 and 47000, then minus this one. Okay, in one case you just add it and subtract it. I will tell what we are doing. Then it should be our 2. Okay, 10 minus 7, it should be 3, and it should be 7 here, then it should be 2. 4, 2, 3. So this resistance value lie, the resistance value is more or less lie in between 42300 to 51700. Okay, so this picture is clear, means what I am saying. Means the resistance 47k resistance is lie in between this resistance, or we can say this R is 42.3k to 51.7 kilo ohm resistance, this one. Okay, so this one is the tolerance meaning. Is it clear? Okay, so very simple concept is that if tolerance is there, this value not fixed with 47k, it may vary in between this 42.3 to 51.7k resistance. So this is all about the simple means concept regarding how to identify the tolerance value. So okay, one more example, very simple example for this 4-band case. Okay, so now for this, for example, again I am taking the very simple, the most simplest example. Suppose now what I am saying that we have to go for a red and brown, red brown. This one is our red, again red, and third one is brown. I am not writing the tolerance one, just for the practice. So red, so red means 2. Okay, it is not showing in this slide, just above this one, so it should be 2 into brown. Brown means black, then brown, 10 to the power 1, 220 ohm resistance. So is it okay? So this is the other one. Okay, so this one is the 4-band. Now if there is a 5-band in a circuit, 5 band it is not a circuit, 5-band in a resistance, so what we have to do? So just okay, so again I am making the one through example, it will clear. Okay, for 5-band, initially we have covered the 4-band. Now suppose through example it will clear. There are 5 bands, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 bands are there. Okay, clear? So the first band is our first significant digit. Okay, then the second one is our second significant digit, and third one is also our third significant digit. Then after multiplier will come. Okay, this one is the multiplier, very similar to the first one. Okay, and this one is our tolerance band. Okay, so now we have to think means we have to start with some what we can say, one example. So for example, what suppose for the 5-band. Okay, so 5-band, take any example. So suppose this one is our, take anything, suppose this one is our mm, black, black, brown, suppose brown, and another one is our black, black, and say this one, fourth one is a red, and say orange. Okay, so black is 1, brown is 0, then again black is coming, so again 100 into red, BB Roy, means 10 to power 2. Okay, Roy means orange, na? Okay, orange, it means BB Roy, it should be 3. Okay, you can check it from the VB Roy, orange, black, then after orange is 3, not 2, sorry. So it should be 10 to power 3. There is my mistake. So okay, why this is not okay? So it should be okay. I have to select the pencil. So this one is 100 into 10 to power 3 plus or minus some tolerance. For the tolerance gold, so it should be plus minus 100 ohm. So this value will be 10 to power 5 ohm. Okay, so this one is one of the example for the, what we can say, a higher band. Now for one more band is there for 6 band. Okay, for 6 band, what we have to do? For 6 band, here I 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. For the 6th band, this one is your first significant digit. Okay, digit. For this significant digit, I am writing ST. Okay, so this one is our second ST significant digit, third significant digit. Then next one is our multiplier. Okay, then tolerance. Okay, but the last one is our temperature coefficient. Temperature coefficient. We academic people not using this 6 band the system. Most of the time we are just very busy with our 4th and 5th band resistance. So this one is the other one. So temperature coefficient means how, depending upon the temperature, the resistance value changes, and for this temperature coefficient the unit should be in ppm, parts per million per degree centigrade. So this one is the one of the example, and all are very similar to the very first 4 band. So you can encounter any resistance value in your lab or in your research by just looking the different color code. So this one is the very simple representation of any, for the to identify the any color code of a resistance. So hope you will understand the concept behind it, and you can try any resistance value and you can write their resistance value by just remembering this all stable like thing, that the first one, first significant is, second significant, if 4 band is there, the third one will be multiplied, fourth one is out, all like that. So it is very simple one. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.